Yenko the camp of Charles Kojofosu, aka Daddy Lumba. Things are not really going on well with Daddy Lumba. With that Lumba in the camp, Yankupon and Fanny cry in CE. But then this man, you cry and still now in Tokwa Air Coso. Now, you were any say a year, Akosia say, about Krunim. Already know what we learned was that a year no, but a year that Lumba, you know, and it say a birthday party, you know, and a year no man, you know. The first wife, Akosia say, but then a month after a year now, you see New Year no Akosia Sewa eba Ghana. In fact, we saw her waving team legal wives. A whole lot of show. But one of the main purposes I didn't even pay room has say the fact say or no Akosia Sewa no, she came to fight for her properties and the things that she thought had to get with Charles Kojofosu Nikunu Daddy Lumba. Now, one of them, no, and at this whole thing, the Broni ever term as estate. So estate has to do with say, we Japadini, United me say, more assase, more company, more cars, more bond, Broni be quantified as estate. So in this case, Nakosia Sewa Baya, no babe pre-estate, no, and she is saying, say, Unyemu 50% of almost everything because the Yemu se Charles Kojofosu, Wenyano. Sebio, most of them on the brain nyaye. Now, you also have to know that Charles Kojofosu on them baby bri awo or sansu or genome and other concubines are omenim and ibusian for no so sebio also muso dide. Now, Minoka say no issue about the property no ekopium ewo court ebium. Now, and no end of the lawyers of Akosia Sewa extra command court say and then I'm from me say Charles Kojofosu Daddy Lumba answer no be no or yeah well. Because we've seen or we heard these things coming from Abusuapanyin to Park together with a host of others. And you know, if he did a will, then you perceive will on how I beko. Internona Akosia Sewa and the lawyers from the beyond now and man kofuing dictate and say there's a will. So no ya papa wu ya ombe kan na system tre ni ade ade and you know we will actually write to the Accra High Court for them to tell us and as omonye omo search sana okoto asase a ukwa obeye ho search no sabepe e no mbetro akoma the Accra High Court say ye pese yehu yekunu anase ye de share that Lumba as no obewu no did he do a role or not because oye role are basically to be gazetted into omo documents no ekoma court and guess what it is for omedikoma court no actual back say there was no bill. Usually they will screen so ha or say that Lumba did not file a will. This is the Accra High Court. That Lumba did not file a will. This is the Accra High Court. Now this is contrary to reports and not earlier. Eba na HS that Lumba had a will near the adin in Tokwa after year near the adin embassa. Remember, say I'm no case Abusuapanyin to Park so ababe kasa ain't be a bo and somehow or kind but they really have or see no record of a will for the late legend Charles Kojofosu, popularly known as that Lumba. Okay, of that Lumba has been found at the Probate and Administration Division of the High Court of Justice in Accra, according to a report by Ghana Weekend. Into a part as a reporter, Urban H say, such a year Charles Kojofosu, the first wife, and then the lawyers, Echo Fale say, they want to see if Charles Kojofosu left a will. Said me property we hear farmer win. Ewa wa na omusi eniwo. Yen to aso. Or say this follows an official search conducted at the registrar as part of legal processes to manage his estate. The search, which was conducted by undisclosed persons and bore the logo of Mami Tiwa, a key member of the team legal wives, was to verify whether the late musician had lodged a will with the courts, and if so, to determine when it was filed, who submitted it, and which lawyer handled it. However, the registry response dated 19th January 2026 indicated that no such record exists. Inti echemuya team legal wives for enomutro krata no ekoma the division of the courts from the Probate and Administration Division Accra High Court say you perceive in your records, no, yes, scanning or mining all the law firms. Did that Lumba leave any will? and almost the be that Lumba live anyway. You share a year, sa a year by and as uncracked year, there are 2 screens. No, so you can see here, say, or say, where the buyer response at High Court at the buyer, or say, in the matter of the estate of Charles Kojo Fusu, aka that Lumba, with the High Court of Accra, or say, please conduct a search in your registry as to ascertain the following: whether or not the late Kojo Fusu, aka that Lumba, deposited a last will and testament in the registry of a High Court, and the High Court natural said no record. Again, 2. If so, when was the date? Or see, if so, what date was the last will and testament of Charles Kojo Fusu, aka that Lumba, deposited at the registry of the High Court? Again, 3. What is the name of the person who deposited the last will and testament of Charles Kojo Fusu, aka that Lumba, at the registry? Or also to us to say, what is the name of the person, okay, who deposited the will? Okay, they can and a 4. Or say, what is the name of the lawyer who prepared the last will and testament of Charles Kojo Fusu, aka that Lumba? Any further information or development on this matter? It's a whole and a court natural bar say there was actually nothing. So this perhaps clearly tells you, say, there is a big fight ahead. There is what? A big fight ahead. As our big fight ahead, no. It is very, a friend is saying, clear, says you a bit messy. Because you see, I told you that Lumba did not actually bring any will or put down any will. The question is, how would his estate be managed? Because now, say you or any of some phone was okay. See, I will ni what they are. Any eja one go pre-be you be the eja. So one go pre-be now you own fine boy you be the eja. So that is exactly what is really going on now. And yeah, so we are following this issue, but then me no say with your opinion now no so there's a will. E kamya kwa say audio yen saka say he is suggesting say you he never suggested say one answer or to him no one can be that said that Lumba did not actually put down a will. So now if you penny basically no he's trying as much as possible to distance himself from a year in someone rank as a canano not all suggest oh there was a will now party say one can be that say will be honey and the could see a year in summer a bush penny edit to dry a back a tea for a better house because in some way of course no definitely issues will be we need to look at near share this particular video babaka we will continue with this particular update for about Charles Kojo Fusu that Lumba and ne real one sense ma me no ka say akupim e wo quarter messy.
His face should be covered and the public shouldn't be made to see his face. Ladies and gentlemen, let's watch what Abusuapanyin Kofi Tupac said and what he is now saying in this interview with liars. Liars will always be caught and liars will always
because Kinim se enkabiaka ne se emani nyina baba behia na ye nyina behia na ye ne lawyers na trust na tamom kocho mo ne mama o mo o makoche ben se obagie di se eyi ekoye ye kura na yiri panyi wanka wama etihi na mno mo kochie mo ne akaka sa asem we ana enso so sa asem we so akaka se lawyer ho ene freeba somebody me catch them say na japade ne niam de enya me Abusuapanyin na meche te wa sam de eba madawro ma se ko lawyers ho na lawyers no koche ni di hia me ne se masie no na hia
na obayi eye mami akosua se wa wo che se ye wa mai Abusuapanyin so wan to nsan fre no we invite no
ensa ye to fre na nka be de na ne manaba obie nim se ye ne mana wana to ne safre wom ne ma wo no mo te kura wo manyina tumi aba wo ama And yes, I did now no more chain why you quite a man so ya some of your pay. I say, yes, she did. I call him or he also the step by sisters. When you know, Fanko say, date in a baby say, Obianim. Said ya Ghana, Mamma, Mania, CSF, which you are paying in a year, you know, which you are paying us any date. Acquire him for Mosomoko, be net or the Bia to so Obianim date, you know. I was a baby or just any date or just any year. And a year to the answer Sunday, you know. If you had an Aoma. Oba now, Cotton as I saw about how Mumuzano. So by when you be paying him. So better than a man and say, I will flag when internet. Mumuza so any Mabuja Penny. The Lumba no we and the Buja Penny in a way. Media a free sitting in America, media, may pass on you. Nipanamona Mukuru no. Neman and a Japadia media, media may pay and may pay Mamma Yerena or Musuo. Into a nose of Pebia Mamoni Mumfa and Paso no Bianco Fanadi. Now, Obian Tran the baby boko. No mumpire. Say Yanko Beboa. I may be BH pay am home. Social media near Doom TV Namofre and Kamenfa. Because Oka can't some of their own kind and Eka. Heavy steed minima Kamenfa. The Son Samenkata, my gentleman. The Americasa may Yanko Pabua my baby. Biatano. One more chita for na way codrum no. Who could we see anywhere? The idea will pay and we japadia. Montombo as an amoncotrans and amonobloes, namoncochamadia. Na ebusiana emuna free. Sabi, Yakojo for Sunguan, you be or where Busianuma now will be moving.
Now,
like my
okay, Abusia
with us, Mumuzano. So by when we are paying him. So better than a man and say, I will flag me on internet. Mumuza so any Mabuja Penny. The Lumba no we and the Buja Penny in a way. Media a free sitting in America, media may pass on you. Nipanamona Mukuru no. The Neman and the Japadia media, media may pay and may pay Mamma Yerena or Musuo. Into a nose of Pebia Mamoni Mumfa and Paso no Bianco Fanadi. Now Obian Tran the baby boko. No mumpire. Say Yanko Beboa. I may be BH pay am home. Social media near Doom TV Namofre and Kamenfa. Because Oka can't some of their own kind and Eka. Heavy steed minima Kamenfa. The Son Samenkata, my gentleman. The Americasa may Yanko Pabua my baby. Biatano. One more chita for na way codrum no. Who could we see anywhere? The idea will pay and we japadia. Montombo as an amoncotrans and amonobloes, namoncochamadia. Na ebusiana emuna free. Sabi, Yakojo for Sunguan, you be or where Busianuma now will be moving.
Now,
like my
okay, Abusuapanyin, what can say, Mammy?
So this is what Kofi Tupac is now saying on Adom FM, and that is why many people are like, hey, liars will always be liars, and liars will always be caught. Kofi Tupac Abusuapanyin. You see, this is a man who is not trustworthy. He's already a liar because look, when Lumba died at the initial stages, he said that look, that the Lumba only has one wife. I don't know any Odo Broni. The only wife I know is Akosua Sewa. Now fast forward, this man even went to court to testify that the Lumba married Odo Broni. Now he has been caught lying again, from saying emphatically that the Lumba wrote in his will to now saying that he was told by Odo Broni and Daddy Lumba's children. This is Kofi Tupac for you. Kofi Tupac is a certified liar. Abusuapanyin Kofi Tupac. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know what you think in the comment section. This is Loyalty TV Studio. Subscribe, like, share, and put us on post notifications so that whenever we post, you get to see what we do on this platform.
etoda ohwe dan bi o mode light aye no nworan bi si ho a na bi sample say electrician no mtua ne kade kai say about domestic installation, industrial installation, commercial installation, solar panel.
Okay, so it's here for some way and I